Many people know cloves just as a natural painkiller. In fact, clove extracts, and especially clove essential oil, are among the most effective natural remedies for pain relief. And this effect doesn't just apply to toothaches, but also to headaches, migraines, and pain in muscles, bones, and joints as well. Want to know more? In this video, let's have a look at some amazing health benefits of cloves and clove water, and what happens when you drink clove water every night for a month. We'll also tell you how to make clove water, and 2 special clove water recipes with 2 to 3 more ingredients to take the benefits of clove water to the next level. So stay with us till the end. Number 1. Clove water can help you sleep better. Want to sleep like a baby? Drink clove water before bedtime. Stressful work routines, electronic screens, and drinking lots of coffee during the day are among the most common factors that can mess with sleep patterns. Clove water has a natural calming effect on nerves and muscles. In fact, eugenol, the primary bioactive compound in cloves, has also been shown to have mild sedative effects, which calm you down and promote relaxation. But that's not all. Eugenol, the same compound in cloves that helps relieve toothaches, also helps to relieve other kinds of pains that could be messing with your sleep. Muscle tension is one thing to blame for sleep disturbances. Leg cramps, particularly nocturnal leg cramps, are also pretty common among adults. Drinking clove water before bedtime can help ease muscle tension and relieve muscle cramps, making you feel relaxed and sleep faster. Number 2. Clove water can improve digestion. Cloves and clove water act as a natural carminative. They aid in digestion, relieve nausea, and even help relieve stomach cramps. Plus, eugenol's muscle-relaxing effects also apply to the muscles that control bowel movements, ones that become stiff when someone's constipated or has bloating or gas trapped in their tummy. Clove water helps relax those muscles too, releasing that trapped gas and relieving bloating and constipation, which, by the way, could mess with your sleep patterns too. Number 3. Clove water can help you lose weight. Do you want to lose weight while sleeping? Drink clove water every night. Cloves have been shown to enhance metabolism, the ability of your body to break down the nutrients in your food, including carbs, proteins, and fats. The same effect also applies to the stored fats in your body. Night is arguably the longest duration when your body is in a state of fasting. During that time, if your metabolism is good enough, your body can break down the stored fats to produce enough energy for your cells during the night. But remember that clove water isn't a magic potion. You can't keep stuffing your body with sugars, high-carb meals, fast foods, and others, and expect clove water to reduce your belly fat within a few nights. Calorie control and regular exercise are crucial if you want clove water to help speed up your weight loss efforts. Number 4. Clove water can help manage your blood sugar. Remember that high blood sugar isn't a point of concern for diabetics. Healthy people's bodies might do better at regulating blood sugar than diabetics, but high blood sugar generally affects everyone. Eating an overall high-calorie, high-sugar, or high-carb meal can make you gain weight, and many modern studies show that these foods can also mess with sleep patterns. Consistently, high blood sugar can damage kidneys, blood vessel walls, and those delicate nerves inside the eyes, the brain, and nerves throughout the body. Drinking clove water before bed can help lower high blood sugar, potentially preventing or relieving those complications. Eating cloves or consuming clove extracts has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, meaning your cells might become more responsive to insulin and utilize the available sugar from the blood more effectively. Not only that, cloves have also been shown to have a hypoglycemic effect, meaning they can lower blood sugar levels by themselves. The clove water recipe we're going to tell you about is less likely to be risky for people with diabetes. But since the body's response to cloves can vary depending on age and health condition, it's best to talk to your healthcare expert about whether you should take clove water before bed or not. Number 5. Respiratory illnesses. Many respiratory conditions, whether major or minor, are accompanied by inflammation in nasal passages, sinuses, lungs, and respiratory tract. Cloves have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in these areas, helping to relieve the symptoms of cold, flu, cough, asthma, COPD, and other related conditions. For coughs, cloves act as an expectorant, helping to loosen mucus so that you can easily cough it out. For breathing difficulties and chest congestion, cloves can help relax the bronchial tubes, making it easier for you to breathe. This relaxing and decongestant effect can also help you sleep better if you're finding it difficult to fall asleep due to breathing difficulties. Number 6. Clove water can help detoxify your blood. The liver doesn't just store fats or produce bile to digest fats. It is the primary organ that detoxifies the blood. The many enzymes it produces break down medications, nutrients in foods and drinks, and even chemicals and toxins that find their way inside our bodies via the environment or contaminated things. Drinking clove water every night helps clean the liver from deposited fats, reduces inflammation in the liver, and supports its ability to purify your blood. Ready to drink clove water every night? Let's learn how to make it. Recipe number 1. Plain clove water. You can make it quickly and drink it before bedtime. Simply soak 4 to 6 whole cloves in a glass of water during the day. Just make sure to keep the container covered and in a cool place to prevent it from spoiling. Recipe number 2. Take 1 orange, peel it and slice it up into small pieces. Boil a cup of water and then add 1 to 2 cinnamon sticks, 4 to 6 whole cloves, and orange pieces. Continue boiling it for another 10 to 15 minutes. Then remove the heat, let it steep, strain it into a cup, and then enjoy warm or cold as you like. This mixture comes packed with vitamin C content of oranges that strengthens the immune system, powerful anti-inflammatory effects of cinnamon and cloves combined, and pain-relieving and relaxing effects from cloves. Recipe number 3. Soak 4 to 6 cloves, 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds, and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds separately in a cup of water throughout the night. In the morning, strain out the cloves and fennel seeds and then add their water to already soaked chia seeds. Then add a teaspoon of honey to this mixture and stir it well. What is the best time to drink clove water? The time when you want to drink clove water depends on what you want from it in return. For example, if you want to relax and sleep better at night, drinking clove water 30 minutes or an hour before bedtime can be very helpful. But drinking this mixture 30 minutes before dinner might be a much better idea. Doing so will help stimulate the release of digestive enzymes, help your body digest your meal better, prevent bloating, gas, or indigestion, detoxify your blood, and of course, help you fall asleep quickly. If not for sleep, you can drink clove water on an empty stomach in the morning. Particularly recipe number 3 from this video might be very helpful here. Drinking this mixture can help digest your food, make you feel full quickly, which can help in weight loss, prevent post-meal blood sugar spikes, help keep your blood pressure in a healthy range, and even boost your memory and mood. Here's another tip. Try drinking clove water in the winter season regularly. Cloves have been shown to improve metabolism, which is crucial to keep the body energized and warm. So, drinking clove water every day in that season can be particularly beneficial. Now, let's have a brief look at the safety of clove water and its potential interactions with any medications you might be taking. First of all, let's talk about diabetics. As mentioned earlier, cloves naturally have a blood sugar lowering effect. This effect can interact with sugar management medications. Taking clove water 30 minutes or an hour before a meal can help prevent blood sugar spikes, but avoid taking clove water along with your medications. Keep at least a 2-hour time gap between your medications and clove water, and monitor your blood sugar to ensure that you don't end up having too low blood sugar. Second, if you're a heart patient and are taking blood thinners or other medications to lower blood pressure, talk to your healthcare expert about whether you should drink clove water or not. The same must be followed by people with bleeding disorders or those taking anticoagulant or antiplatelet drugs. Third, eugenol in cloves is also known to interact with anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving drugs such as ibuprofen, naproxen, aspirin, diclofenac, and several others. Avoid taking clove water alongside these medications. Lastly, if you're taking medications for the treatment of liver disease, acid reflux, stomach ulcers, or any other chronic conditions. Ask your doctor before making cloves a regular part of your routine. Here are some other videos about cloves you might be interested in. Check them out.